Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more interesting videos and creative videos on microservices. We have gone through few videos on microservices such as introduction to microservices, FastAPI using PostAPI. Then we have seen connection to MySQL. We have also seen update operation in MySQL using Postman and many more videos on microservices. Today's video is really interesting and creative. It is about Python with FastAPI REST code operation using in-memory database. Now I will explain in brief what is in-memory database. Today's world, in-memory database is very important. I will give best example of in-memory database, that is our pen drive. That is best example of in-memory database. Also, I will explain in brief presentation about in-memory database. Python in-memory database. In-memory database is a database that keep it in the main memory RAM of computer and controlled by an in-memory database management system. When analyzing information in an in-memory database, only the RAM is used. Compared to standard disk-based database, in-memory database enables quicker reads and write. In traditional database, each activity demands a read-write from the disk that takes some time, and input and output I/O activity. This added to the steps slows the disk-based system. We have seen a lot of videos on React.js, Node.js, where it took some time, little bit time when performing CRUD operation. In-memory database use millions of gadgets such as security and safety devices generate data every minute. Real-time analysis of this data is critical. To analyze the real-time data, business require high-performance database solution. In-memory database assist companies in increasing productivity by accelerating the database processes. It also enables them to make use of the advantage of big data. So, next, integrating in-memory database with programming language improves efficiency and effectiveness for developers. It allows developers to work on data in memory, commit modifications to memory, proactively catch up data, retrieval charges are needed, and dynamically modifies definition. So we have seen about the introduction to in-memory database. Now we will go through the program. I will go to app directory, then main file. This, you can see here I haven't connected to any database, nothing, just this book, title, author, publisher, and this thing, and okay. Now code operation we need to perform. So yes, connected, executed the program. Now we'll go through browser. A nice screen is displayed in front of you. So I will be using the in-memory database. Now I will perform add the book, right? Then we will see here we can add the book ID 1, title Python machine learning, author Sanjay Mahajan, and string publisher SSN. Now I will execute. Yes, successfully added with ID1. Fine. Response and this thing. Now next thing is get. ID is 1, fine. Okay, then 1. Okay, one here. I need to take the parameter. Here I will now 1, let it execute. Yes, you have found Python ML thing. Fine. So create operation has been performed, display operation has been performed. Now we will perform the update operation. Update means put. I will perform update operation. ID 1 11 title Java programming author publisher SSM model. I will execute. Yes, update operation has been performed successfully. It happens so fast, it happens so easily, and that is the concept of in-memory database. Very efficient. And at the last delete operation, you will see delete operation. In that I will perform one operation. Okay, execute. So delete, book has been deleted. Fine. Now I will show you whenever I will run this program next time, my data will be gone. That is concept of in-memory database. Now I will stop the execution of the program. Now I will again execute the program. You will find nothing is there in my database. Yes, get. Nothing is there. So that is the concept behind in-memory database. So I successfully done with in-memory database using FastAPI REST code operation. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on microservices, in-memory database, then connection to MongoDB, connection to Postgres, and more interesting videos on machine learning, Python, sentiment analysis, data analytics with Excel connectivity with Flask and this thing, data science, and web development using Python, and if possible Node.js, one-stack, full-stack with React. So for latest update, keep watching my videos on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.